Hi parents! Today we're going to walk through how to use Great Minds in Sync. We did use it the first week of school and we're going to continue to use it for our math assessments. Students on My School Online and students in brick and mortar will be accessing their test through Great Minds, which is our icon located right here. So today we're just going to walk through where you click and what you click. So tomorrow during math, when your child is asked to go take their topic check, you know exactly how to help them. So I'm going to go ahead and click Great Minds in Sync. And I'm using my friend Reeves. And it comes up right away that I have one assignment for today. So all they'll do is click. And it says that you're about to start your assessment. So it'll ask some questions. It's only 5 questions. I don't know of a feature that will read it all to you. So you're welcome to read to the kids what it says. However, please, please, please try not to give them answers. I know that it's very hard, but these assessments really help us form our math groups, and we get to know your child to learn what they need and what they already know. You can read to your child and then ask them the question, have them click. They'll hit next for those 5 questions, and then it automatically sends a report to me. And I will be able to take that information and help your child and be able to form some groups to clear up any misconceptions that maybe they had. We understand that this is the first time that you're doing it, so it might be messy and there'll be time for us to help you troubleshoot. However, we won't get a full assessment for each child if you don't have your child completed. We don't get a complete access until all students have their assessment completed. So it's really important that you do this, and I think that after your kids do this a couple of times and their reading skills get even better, I think that you'll find that this is a much easier way for us to be able to take assessments online. So again, you're just going to click the Great Minds in Sync, and it'll come up that you have an assessment. Okay? Let us know if you have any trouble tomorrow. We are leaving a big chunk of time, so that way after we meet for a small little meeting, we will be showing the kids how to do this. However, they'll probably need some assistance. If you have any problems, just go ahead and jump back on Zoom and we can share screens so that way we can make sure that you're successful. Thank you so much for all your support, parents. We really appreciate you.